Hello, I'm Chris Doss, your STS representative from Team 7. Today, I'll show you how to export all of your intellectual property with Google Takeout. First, go to takeout.google.com. You'll be greeted with this friendly screen. Press Select None. Now you can choose whatever data you would like to export. I'll choose to export my Google Drive. If you'd like to customize what file format you'll be exporting in, you can do that, but if you don't know what it means, don't. Once you're done, press the Next button. Don't change this. Press Create Archive. Wait patiently for it to be finished.
Where did your button go? Wait, is the second guy? Yeah. I'm just gonna watch it. And we can later. It's not easy time. Can you bring me a hair box in here?
As I said, wait patiently. When your data is ready, you'll be greeted with this screen. Click Download. You'll be asked to sign in. Do that.
What are you doing? No running in the house. Hey, where'd my phone go?
You'll be greeted with this window. In this window, you can choose where to save your files. Download it to your downloads. I'll be downloading it in a folder called Demo. Wait for it to download. It shouldn't take that long. When it's done, open the Files app and find where your zip file is. Double-click it. You'll find your zip file on the left-hand side. That's fine. Click on the folder named Takeout and hold down. Drag it to Downloads and Release. It might take a while. Close out of the Files app once your folder is ready. Navigate to your Google Drive and press the New button. Select Folder Upload. Go to your Downloads folder and look for Takeout. Upload it.
What are you doing?
Wait a little bit and your file will be done uploading. If you sign into your Google Drive with a personal account, you can migrate all of your data before your account gets deleted after you leave 8th grade.